In this question we have to find out the surface area of the half circle and the rectangle. Okay, so this is a half circle. So in this half circle we have to find out the area. So the diameter is 10 centimeter, so the radius is 5 centimeter, and we know the area of circle formula is pi r square. Okay, so this is 3.14 into radius is 5 square, so this is 3.14 into 25, so it is coming to around 78.5, and as this is half circle we have to do half of it, so 78.5 divided by 2. So if you do 78.5 divided by 2, it is coming to 39.25. so we know now the area of the half circle, this one, is 39.25. okay, 39.25. now we have to find out the area of the rectangle, which is very simple, which is 10 and 8 is 80. okay, so now to find out the total surface area, the rectangle area, okay, plus half circle area. So the rectangle area is 80 centimeter square plus half circle, we know that as 29.25 centimeter square. So if I use the calculator, it will be 80 plus 39.25 is coming to 119.25 centimeter square. So now we know that the total surface area of this half circle and the rectangle is 119.25 centimeter square. If you like the video, kindly please subscribe and like. Thank you.